In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image on Jupyter Notebook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your image lands in the right place and is ready to use in your notebooks. Start by opening your Jupyter environment in the browser. You should see the main interface with a sidebar or a top menu and a central area listing folders and files. That central listing is where we want to be, because uploads go into whatever folder is currently displayed. Make sure you're in the Files tab. This tab is the file browser for your current working directory. If you've navigated into a subfolder, any image you upload will be saved there, which is useful for keeping assets organized alongside your notebook. If you don't see your files, try expanding the sidebar or returning to the home directory so you know exactly where the upload will land. Look to the top right of the Files area for the upload control. Depending on your theme or version, it may say Upload or show an upward arrow icon. Click it to open your system's file chooser. If the button seems missing, ensure the window isn't zoomed too far in and that you're still on the Files tab. Choose the image you want to add from your computer, then click Open. Common formats like PNG and JPG work great. For smoother workflows later, pick a clear file name without spaces or special characters. Some interfaces briefly stage the file and ask you to confirm. If you see a second upload prompt next to the file name, go ahead and confirm. Large images may take a moment. Watch for a progress indicator. When the upload finishes, the image will appear in your file list in the exact folder you had open. That's your confirmation that it's now part of your project and can be referenced from your notebooks. If you don't see it right away, refresh the file view or check that you're in the correct directory. That's all it takes to upload an image in Jupyter, quickly and reliably.